The overall goal of this protocol is to quickly initiate operant responding for alcohol in rats with a method that is convenient for experimenters and, contrary to standard methods, does not require water deprivation or saccharin sucrose fading.
So this method is a very useful tool to answer key questions about the neurobiology and neuropharmacology of alcohol reward and alcohol seeking in rats.
The main advantage of this technique is that it does not require saccharin sucrose fading to initiate alcohol responding in rats, thus eliminating the potentially confound of using sweeteners in ethanol self-administration procedure.
For this experiment, obtain rats weighing 200 to 225 grams. Wistar males are used here. House them in pairs or singly, depending on the rationale of the experiment. Keep the colony on a reverse 12-12 light-dark cycle with controlled temperature and humidity, and conduct the experiments during the dark phase. Weigh the animals weekly and permit them to acclimate for at least 1 week before beginning the experiment. Do not limit the rats' access to food and water. It isn't necessary for conditioning. Conduct all the behavior training in the same-sized operant chamber with a flood grid and waste pan. The chamber must be fitted to a vented, sound-attenuating cubicle. Each chamber must have stimulus lights, syringe pumps, and 2 retractable levers. The levels should be positioned laterally to a liquid cup receptacle. Each chamber should be under automated control with a computer interface. Use this software to prepare the operant conditioning program as needed. For example,